Hello everybody. Welcome to a video tutorial of how to generate reports in Water Hydraulics Design module of ESurvey Water Infra Suite. In the previous help topic, you have learned how to export hydraulic model as INP file. In this help topic, you will learn how to generate reports. Click on Output button to view the results. Select Type of Entity from the drop-down in the selection group. You can select one of the entity types, that is, junction, pipe, pump, valve, tank, and reservoir. Depending on the type of entity you have chosen, you will get the result of various columns. By default, you will get the report at initial hours, that means 0th hour. When you select specific time from the drop-down list, you can note the result of that particular time. If you want to report for all the durations at once, then disable the checkbox of specific time. Similarly, if you want result report of particular node or pipe, then enable checkbox of specific node or pipe and then select the specific node or pipe from the drop-down list. Now, click on Export button to export the corresponding results to Excel. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn miscellaneous features of Water Hydraulics Design module. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +91 94495 99709 or book an online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.